Just want to take you for a walk around of this McCormick AMAX 90 tractor. It's 83 horsepower purpose powered. You can see from the wheels and the tyres, it's a paddock tractor. Good for your loading, good traction, good flotation. I like the boom that's on this one. It's all the hoses are hidden underneath the top there. It's got a quick release behind the 4-in-1 bucket. Euro hitch. 2.82 I think it is to the hinge pin to the ground, so it's very good for loading bales, hay. 850 kg rated capacity, so that'll give you about a ton and a bit lift capacity with counterbalance. Good frame on the loader as well. It's tied to not only the side of the chassis, but you can see it's also tied back to the rear axle too. So Perkins 4.4 litre, 4-pot, 4-cylinder should I say. All your filters, dipstick, everything easy to get to. Radiator, big air filter down the front, battery. Nothing you and I can't service on this tractor. Check the run. Just close that down. Stick guard around the front, so when your boom's up in the air and you're loading and you roll into the trailer, it won't matter that much. Four-wheel drive around the front, so the four-wheel drive front axle, it runs a limited slip diff in there. Again, we come back to these wheels and tyres, you know, the big, large, a bit of an oversized situation really, but that's great in the paddock, gives you more traction. Radial tyres, they'll billow out, so you get less compaction as well. There's your loader, quick releases down the side. Take the loader off, there's your pin, either side. 4-in-1 control, it's easy, I'll climb up there in a minute, we'll have a look at that, but we'll just keep walking around the tractor. So at the back, we've got two remotes. Two remotes is, you might think you only need one, but if you use one of those graders with a hydraulic tilt and hydraulic angle to grade your tracks on your property, you'll appreciate those, both those remotes. 540 and also 750, so 750 being the 540E. Good strong lift, about 2.7 tonne lift capacity on the 3-point linkage. Lights, everything's there, rocks, folding, work light at the back. Let's climb up there, eh? So just to look around the platform here, obviously there's our Ford reverse shuttle. Just tucked behind that is our 4-wheel drive engagement. So if you don't want to be running in 4-wheel drive, you don't have to. This tractor, just flick it in there. Park brake, obviously. Go around this side, put the plumb on the seat. So our 3-point linkage controls, raise and lower, and our draft control. Tucked nicely right next to that is our rear remote control. So one's got a D10, you can push it straight through to the D10, and the other's just a standard open. So in this tractor we're running 4 gears, 4 ranges. So that gives us a 16 plus 16. 4 ranges means it's got the creeper gear, and that's why the slasher guys and the fence guys like this tractor. Very simple, very strong tractor. Throttle on the side, 2 brake pedals of course, lock them out. There's our control for our loader. Analog dashboard, that's, you know, basic is the aim with this tractor, less electronics. Hand throttle comes in handy still. Video clutch engagement under there next to the key. And I'm going to take you around this side because this is where you actually engage the PDO. Good visibility around this tractor. Even with the boom in the air, you can just see corners very easy. The exhaust pipe is tucked right next to the boom. Age of visibility. Nice tractor.